Welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Smartphone. Today I have something really exciting to share with you. We are talking about the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, one of the most awaited mid-range smartphones of 2026. Samsung has always kept the A series special for those who want a flagship-like experience without spending a fortune, and this year's A54 5G is no exception. It comes with a refreshed design, powerful upgrades, and all the features that make it one of the most attractive smartphones in its category. Let's dive deep into the details that make this device worth your attention. The first thing that catches your eye is the design. Samsung has worked hard to give the A54 5G a premium look, inspired by the Galaxy S series. With its slim bezels, a polished glass back, and a metal frame, the phone feels solid in the hand while maintaining a sleek and modern appearance. It's available in a range of stunning colors, including midnight black, pearl white, and an all-new aurora green that reflects beautifully under the light. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display is brighter and sharper than before, delivering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling, gaming, and watching videos an absolute pleasure. Whether you're streaming content, editing photos, or just browsing the web, the display is a delight to use. Performance is another area where Samsung has leveled up. Powered by the new Exynos 1480 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, the Galaxy A54 5G is fast, responsive, and efficient. Multitasking feels effortless, and heavy apps run smoothly without lag. Samsung has also optimized the phone for gamers, and with the help of 5G connectivity, online gaming is seamless and lag-free. The phone handles graphic-intensive titles with ease, and the adaptive cooling system ensures that it doesn't overheat even during long sessions. Battery life is another winning point. The 5100 mAh battery inside the A54 5G is a powerhouse that easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage and even 2 days with moderate use. Samsung has included 30W fast charging, allowing you to top up quickly when needed. In a world where battery anxiety is common, the A54 5G gives you peace of mind that your phone will keep up with your lifestyle. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest highlights, the camera system. The Samsung Galaxy A54 5G comes with a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 64MP main lens with OIS, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera. Photos are crisp, detailed, and full of life, even in low-light conditions, thanks to Samsung's advanced image processing. The night mode has been improved significantly, making night photography sharper and brighter without overexposure. The ultra-wide camera captures stunning landscapes, while the macro lens lets you get creative with close-up shots. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera is a real star, delivering sharp, natural, and social media-ready selfies. Video recording also shines with 4K support at 60fps, and the stabilization is so good that your videos look cinematic without needing extra equipment. Samsung has always been strong in the software department, and the A54 5G runs on the latest One UI 7 based on Android 16. The interface is clean, customizable, and packed with useful features like enhanced privacy controls, seamless multitasking tools, and AI-based suggestions that make your daily smartphone use smarter. Samsung also promises 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, which is a huge plus for a mid-range device, ensuring that your phone stays updated for a long time. Another standout feature is the audio experience. The stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos deliver clear, immersive sound. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, paired with the vibrant display, this phone is like carrying a mini entertainment center in your pocket. Finally, let's discuss value for money. Samsung has priced the Galaxy A54 5G very competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of users. It brings premium design, excellent performance, impressive cameras, long-lasting battery life, and future-proof software support at a price that feels like a bargain compared to flagship models. For anyone looking to buy a new phone in 2026 without breaking the bank, this smartphone is one of the best options out there. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and powerful smartphone that delivers on all fronts, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G is definitely worth considering. It's a device that proves once again why Samsung dominates the mid-range market, giving you everything you need and more. This is the phone that balances affordability with flagship-like features, and I can confidently say it's going to be one of the most popular smartphones of this year.